Using the browser of your choice, log in using your network username and password. Enter the form name here, SFAREGS, then press Enter. Enter the term and the XUID, then click Go. Click the Next Section button on the bottom left part of the screen to navigate to the next section. In the Course Information section under CRN, click on the Ellipses button. On the options list, click Search for Sections. Enter the subject and the course. Then click the Go button in the right to execute the search. Click the course to highlight it, then click the Select button on the right to add the course to the class schedule. To add another course, click on the Ellipses button under Course Information. On the options list, select Search for Sections. Click inside the subject box. Add the subject and the course. Click the Go button on the right. Double-click the record to add it to the course class schedule. Click the Save button on the bottom right part of the screen. Notice the error message at the upper right part of the page. Click on the number 1 to clear the message text. To resolve the error condition, the errant record has to be removed from the class schedule. First, change the status from RE to DD. Then click Delete to remove the errant record. Click Insert on the Course Information title bar to add another course. Click the mouse in the CRN section. Then use the down arrow on the keyboard to search for or add another record. Enter the subject and the course. Use the % as a wildcard to search. Now click Go on the upper right. The % as a wildcard to search will return all course numbers that begin with 10. Notice the asterisk in the time conflict field. Do not select a course with a time conflict. The asterisk in the time conflict field indicates an error condition. Highlight the course, then click Select. Now, let's issue an override. Notice the Student Schedule error message in the upper right of the page. Click on the number 1 to clear the error message. Because the error is closed section, an override is needed. Click in the Override field. Within the Override field, click on the drop-down menu and select Yes. In the Override field, click the drop-down menu, then select Yes. Now click Save in the lower right of the page. The student has now been registered. To exit this window, click the number 1 in the upper right. In the upper left, click on the X on the blue bar to return to the main menu. Just like in Banner 8, you'll need to sign out to close your session. Click on the lock symbol to sign out. Now you know how to register students and perform overrides in Banner 9. Contact ITC Training at 7841 for more training movies.